Today, we're excited to introduce you to the Delta Faucet Geist widespread bathroom faucet in a sleek matte black finish, designed for a 3-hole installation ranging from 6 to 16 inches. This faucet not only adds a modern touch to your bathroom but also includes a metal push pop-up drain assembly that matches the finish and is ADA compliant for ease of use. The hot and cold stems are interchangeable, featuring 1/4 turn handle stops for smooth operation. As part of Delta's WaterSense labeled faucets, it uses at least 20% less water than the industry standard, allowing you to conserve water without sacrificing performance. The faucet is designed with a 1/2-inch IPS connection and is backed by Delta Faucet's lifetime limited warranty, ensuring long-lasting quality and peace of mind. Simple to install, operate, and clean, this faucet is a perfect blend of style and functionality for any bathroom. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.